Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Martin CA. In this tutorial I'm going to show you this one web search engine that will pay you, for searching and also viewing their website. So how does this work? When you sign up with them as an affiliate, for each person you refer to their website that click on your link to their website, you get paid 20 cents. I'm going to navigate you through how you can get started with the website. So before we continue, I want to encourage you, if you are not subscribed to our channel, my channel, click the bell notification so that you get notified. Click the like button. Guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please encourage us to subscribe to my channel, click the like button and click the bell icon so that I get notified each time I upload fresh content. So without wasting much time, we're going to go straight to the course. So I've opened the website. I'm going to drop the link to this website on the description box below so that you just follow it and continue the process. So once you click on that link, it will take you to this particular page. So click on this place. Then you locate where they say affiliate. Click on affiliate. But before we go there, let's simply see what this site is all about. So click on the About Us page. You can navigate here and click on the About Us to know more about them. But let me just read out a few lines about this site. So EntireWeb at a glance. EntireWeb's goal is to be a leading supplier of search technology solutions. The international web search engine, EntireWeb, is not only a highly popular general-purpose search engine used by millions of people around the world. It is also a showcase of our search technology and our expertise in the field of ultra-high-performance information retrieval from huge unstructured data sources. EntireWeb currently handles millions of search every month, and it is trusted partner of international acclaimed search engines such as Exastic and ISQ Quick, who rely on EntireWeb to provide world-class search results. Corporate structure, you can go through that. Brief history of EntireWeb. EntireWeb is a little bit old in the industry, but it has not been as popular as any other search engine you can think of. So it's all started 1999, was founded by Marcus Anderson. Since 1999, this site has been on ground. Up to this moment, the site is still on ground. So guys, it's a very good, place to start making money online as a newbie. They have also quality content. You can search anything from their site. So let's assume you want to search now. You want to search you can see these are the search queries, suggestions, make money online free. So these are keywords. So click on search. You see a lot of search results on make money online. Oh, I didn't get the online correct. You can see searches on make money online. You can see videos. You can see them. This Wesley Virgin. A lot of them. You can see a lot of results. YouTube everywhere. Shopify results. All of them make money online. You can see. So guys, it's a very good place, alternative to Google, that you can as well come and get, well organized. Wow, I love this. In fact, look at the way their images are well organized, well structured. So you can see, guys, videos. You want to filter by videos, you can see videos. These are videos of make money online. So guys, this is a very good search engine. Clean, news. You want to hear news about make money online, you see all the blog posts on make money online will appear here. So guys, it's a very nice search engine to start with. So how do you get started with the affiliate? Just click here, click on affiliate, then it will take you to this place. Say earn up to 20 cents for every click. So get paid for every visitor you refer to our free search engine submission service. So you know how this is the process. Get paid for every click. We will pay you for all clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor. So high conversion rate. You will be promoting a free search engine submission service with a very high conversion rate. Everyone can join, you see. So it's not limited to a particular region or country or continent. So this one is open worldwide. You're in Nigeria, you're in Bangladesh, you are in India, you are in Pakistan, any part of the world you are eligible to sign up for this affiliate, guys. So if you are looking for a way to start making money online, no matter how small it is, this EntireWeb is the best place to start with. Anyone, anywhere, with any type of site can join this group or this program and start earning money within minutes. Easy to start. Within minutes from sign up, you will be up and running and have started to earn money from your traffic. You see, so as within the minutes you just start, you can start making money from your traffic, guys. It is legit. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. Sign up now and start making money. You can go through all this process. How does it work? You can take your time to go through this FAQ. What do I need to become an affiliate? How much will I earn? How and when will I get paid? I be paid. What is not allowed? So you see now, I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I don't want to go through this. But you can, open the link, go through it, and see, that the FAQs. How much will I earn? 20 cents. You see, the EntireWeb free search engine submission is 100% free service, meaning you often see very high conversion rates, and we will pay you up to 20 cents per click. How and when will I get paid? We pay our affiliate by paper. So guys, if you are to sign up, you have to get your PayPal account ready. But that's not an issue. I'm going to drop the link also to PayPal so that you get started. If you don't have PayPal already, all earnings will be paid on the end of each month for the previous month. All payments are in US dollar. We do not support other payment methods. The minimum payout value is $50. You must enter your PayPal email address in your affiliate account setting in the payout option. Otherwise, we cannot pay you. So guys, the minimum is $50. So you calculate it. Maybe if you are getting 50 cents, you are getting $50. So you need how many clicks? At the rate of 20 cents, about 250 click. High conversion click can give you this $50 minimum withdrawal threshold. So guys, this is awesome. So you say, what is not allowed? You may not use the EntireWeb affiliate program to refer yourself to the free search engine submission service. So you shouldn't cheat the system. You don't need to refer yourself. Just share it to your friends, your social medias, and wow, you see them, they will join. The banners and the links of the affiliate program may not be used in spam emails. You shouldn't use them in spam emails or other spam activities, blog comment spam, forum spam, etc. In that case, your affiliate account will be terminated and outstanding commissions will not be paid. So guys, make sure that all the traffic coming to their site is legit so that you don't get your account terminated. So that is that for now. I'm going to take you through the process of the sign up process. So you come here. If you have an account already, click on login. But if you don't have an account, create account. So you wait for the site to load. You fill up your personal information. So I'm going to fill up my So guys, I have successfully signed up for affiliate program. Please check. It says I should check my email for further information. Further information is on the way. So I'm going to check my email and see if the welcome message has arrived. So let me log into my email. See your login details. Thank you for registering on our affiliate program. So below you will find your login details. You can log in by either clicking on the button below or by using the following link. So my username is there. It's your password. So once they send you the link, from the link they will give you a default password. So from the default password, you will now change it to the normal password you want to use. So I'm going to click. It's a click this link to set password. So I'm going to click set password. You see now, I'm going to put my new password. Wow. So guys, you can see I've set my new password for the affiliate program. So I'm going to input my email address, my username, and login. So guys, you see my dashboard has appeared. This is the affiliate dashboard. Say general your affiliate link. So this is my affiliate link. Anyone that signs up using this, or anyone that clicks using this affiliate link, I get a commission. So I'm going to copy it. Right click on it if you are using system. If you are using mobile, just press it down and it will copy or highlight. So click on copy link address. So guys, this is my link address. Anyone that clicks on this, straight I will get my referral bonus. So guys, that is my referral bonus. So you see banner link, add channels, link, protector. So these are just the So these are the campaigns. You can go through it, take your time, go through it. Guys, this amazing result to wow you. So this is how to get started with EntireWeb affiliate. So as anyone that clicks on your link, you get paid. If you go to home reports, you can click on quick starts. You see quick starts. So the report section will show you all the statistics of your earning. You can see counts, clicks, no click yet, so click-through rate. Let me see. You see, so anyone that clicks on that link to take them to this search engine. Let's assume now I'm searching for, you can see a lot of information. Guys, this website, this web search engine is super. I love the way the images are displayed. You can see how nicely designed UI UX interface look like. So guys, take advantage of this and start earning now. So I'm going to end this video here, and I will be giving you updates on my earnings subsequently, on this platform. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that I get notified each time I upload fresh content. So I am committed to helping you make money online. So guys, don't forget to share this video to your friends, your loved ones, so that they will also start earning, no matter how little it is. 20 cents is money. By the time you accumulate it over time, it can pay bills. So guys, take advantage of this and start earning now. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye for now.